Welcome to Blonde Moments.
Welcome.
These girls right here, that's Tasha.
TTORES 951, and I'm 12 and I'm turning 13. And I'm Rachel.
Username?
Joe and Rach. I'm about to cut off Tasha. And she's 12.
I'm Nisha, 15, Taurus, and 616.
I have a spot on my leg that has no feeling, and we were pricking it earlier, and it doesn't hurt. This thing is like Mondo cool because it's just
Basically, the show is about
nothing.
two blondes that do absolutely nothing, but they play pranks on each other and jokes, and I guess it's funny if you like that kind of stuff. But
But
yeah.
if you don't, I think you need to get used to it because it lasts. I did not want it to come through that way.
Stop throwing this sword at me!
I'm gonna kill you. That was one of the pranks because it was a joke. Anyways.
They're really immature. Hello, you're on the air.
Okay, hold it. Well. I threw my straw. Okay, go get it. I don't know where it went.
I'm looking for a straw.
Straw.
Suck it, right? Just
I can't even
suck
hold
it.
the hole.
Suck it!
There. I'm not using Nisha's straw. I know. I want my other straw. Dude,
You guys are on the air.
I know. Rachel's being retarded. I couldn't find my straw. Don't throw that at me. Love, 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 love. Can you open this? Open it, please.
I'm kind of, yeah.
Okay, I'll hold this. Can you open it?
Yeah.
I dropped the straw.
You're toasting.
No nonsense. I found your straw. I got it.
Alright, continue.
Okay, this show is pretty much about doing nothing, but it's kind of funny because we're like best friends and she's over my house like every day. And
She lives here.
she practically lives here. She leaves everything here. Like her bathing suit. And everything else. Undergarments. Anyways. I'm gonna suck these up through my nose. Shut up.
Do it. How do you zoom on this thing?
You just put it close.